So think about your connections when you're doing this. If you're doing an update, just throwing that little caution out there. So, Jill, this is one of my favorite parts of this, and we want to talk really quickly about our number one tech choice. Um, and I'm going to give a little bit of an example really quickly. Before I found Kajabi, and probably before Kajabi even came into existence, I was on a very well-known platform that most people would know as soon as I said the word. I was so I struggled. I am not a IT wizard. I am not a, someone who knows all the coding of everything. I am not that. And I wanted desperately to make changes to my website. I wanted to not have to have someone else do everything for me and hold me hostage, basically, because I couldn't do things. So I feel like this is a good place to just share this quickly, that this is something that we started using based on the pain we were having, that everything was constantly breaking, everything was constantly hard. And so we want to just give the reasons why we are so sold on Kajabi. Kajabi does this whole list of things. Do you want to go down the list real quick, Jill, and just share?
So they have their obvious website building and hosting section where you can build your website, connect your domain. They also have the ability for email for email list building. I can't see it myself. Oh my gosh. Email list building. So you can have all your marketing emails directly sent from your Kajabi platform. They have the ability for you to host online courses and a podcast or mini podcasts. They now have a community portion of their site where you can bring your community there. They have the ability for events to be hosted on their builder, coaching, scheduling, receiving payments, marketing pipelines, their memberships, newsletters can be sent from there. Analytics are built right in for your pages, emails, for almost everything you do on the site. And they are mobile responsive. They have AI tools, and they are built for SEO and so much more.
So we want to give this little tiny, and this is an offer, not a sales pitch, because it's not for everyone, but we do want to share with you something really important to us, and that is the community that actually is sponsoring this workshop, and that is Website Royalty. Website Royalty is a community to get answers and support for all things Kajabi related, including websites, emails, classes, courses, podcasts, community, blogs, and all the other amazing tools that are included with the Kajabi all-in-one platform. This community is free when you use the My Sexy Business or Kim White affiliate links to sign up. And if you aren't sure if Kajabi is the right fit for you, set up a Zoom with us to find out. Here's the thing we want to tell you. You do not have to have Kajabi to apply all of the things that we have just shared with you. We just want you to know, if you want to avoid extra pain and extra struggle, we highly recommend Kajabi. We went from raving fan in the beginning, because that's what I was like when I started all those years ago, into a raving affiliate, because I believe in them and their customer support and all the things they do so much. So here's our little tidbit for you today. Is now that you've been through treeing, if I can say the word right, now that you have been through the Treeing and Tech TnT website workshop, which equals a dynamite workshop, now it's your turn. What are you going to do today to start your treeing process? And we really want to know. So I am going to say thank you for being here with us, and make sure that you all let us know how it's going. We want to invite you to like connect with us, because it's important when you're building website things to not feel alone in that, not to have someone to ask questions to. So we just want to say all of that out loud and thank you for coming today.
Thanks for coming. Thanks, Kim.
Thank you, Jill. Thank you.